Sukses word nie op die dag van Interhoor gebou nie. Dit word gebou lank voor die skare opdaag.
Before the lights, before the cheers, before the medals. It's built in the early mornings when the alarm feels heavier than your body.
In die middag wanneer jou bene brand, maar jy aanhou hardloop. In die stil besluite wat niemand sien.
At Midstream College, athletics is more than strength and speed. It's sacrifice. It's choosing to train over comfort, discipline over excuses, team over self. It's that extra rep when no one's watching.
Die finale naloop wanneer jou longe aan die brand is. Die selfdissipline om op te daag, oor en oor en oor.
Inter High is a test of everything you've given up to be there. Early mornings, late afternoons, the moments when quitting would have been easier. But champions are not made when it's easy. They're made when it's hard. Every blister, every setback, every second shaved off a personal best, it all adds up.
Wanneer Midstream College op daardie baan trap, bring ons nie net talent nie. Ons bring voorbereiding. Ons bring eenheid. Ons bring hart.
Because success isn't given, it's earned. Through sacrifice, through resilience, through relentless pursuit of excellence. This is more than a sport, it's a legacy.
Midstream College Atletiek, gebou op opoffering, gedrewe deur doelgerigtheid, gereed vir Interhoor.